Hi guys, so in this section we will discuss about HTML tables. Okay, so I have created new HTML file. Okay, this is our new HTML file, similar body. Inside body tag I have defined the table. So for table you have to remember four things. Table tag is to define a table, tr for row, td for column, and th for header. Header to like first row to identify the columns. So inside this is a table tag, and we had first row will be always 2, will be header only. So under this tr first row I use th header tag. Okay, and define these three column: planets, ocean, and desert. After that we have to provide the specific value for everything. So in next two rows I have used td is a column data, where I define all the values of this headers: earth, pacific, and sahara. Earth is a planet, pacific ocean, and sahara is a desert. Similarly second. Okay, so that way you can define a table. So table, tr, td, and th for html table. So once you do, and we just open. Okay, just so this is our header, it is a bold, and that I'll be in like unbold character. Thank you.